Hey everyone, if you are tired of spending hours clicking through visual layout panels or wrestling with heavy plugins just to update your client sites, you need to see what just happened. WordPress 7.0 dropped and it completely rewrote the rules for how our websites connect with AI. So, next Thursday, May 28th, I'm hosting a totally casual exploratory Zoom sandbox. A few of us are hanging out to experiment live on screen with the Google Antigravity 2.0 and the Breakdance Page Builder to see what vibe coding a live storefront actually looks like. We're hoping to keep this really tightly capped at about 10 seats so everyone can unmute, chat, and test the weird ideas in real time. Hit the link below to snag your spot on the Meetup or Eventbrite before they are gone. Grab a drink, bring your laptop, and I'll see you there. Here's how you do it. This is all you have to do. Reserve a spot link right here. And since I've already done this, but I have already registered, so I'm just going to go ahead in and show you how to do this. All right, so this is me, Dante Hamilton. I'm going to go ahead on and register this. And so now I got my tickets all set up. So then I got my tickets, so I look at my link. This is the link to Zoom, so this link will be activated 30 minutes prior to the start of the event. And that's all you have to do, and you can check your email. You get everything in the email that you need. Alternatively, if you want to do it online, you could go to Meetup, Chicago WordPress, and the Meetup group is right there. So all you have to do is just go ahead on and sign up. All right, so this is it. This is the listing right here. Just click that listing right there and go ahead on and sign up. So I've already logged in. I'm the organizer, so I'm not going to sign up for it because you're seeing my organizer profile. But this is the information, and you can find that at Chicago WordPress, meetupgroup.com/Chicago WordPress. That's it. I'll see you next week, May 28th at 7 p.m. This is just 45 minutes. Let's have some fun. Talk about WordPress 7.0 and AI, along with Google Antigravity and Breakdance Page Builder.